How to express fear. Intermediate level. Frightened. The word frightened describes a stronger feeling of fear than scared or afraid. It is often used when someone feels alarmed, threatened, or startled. Sentence structure. Frightened of something someone. She's frightened of snakes. Frightened by something someone. The children were frightened by the thunderstorm. Something someone frightens someone else. The loud noise frightened the baby. Alarmed. The word alarmed describes a sudden feeling of fear, concern, or worry, often caused by unexpected or urgent events. Sentence structure. Be alarmed by something someone. She was alarmed by the loud crash outside. Be alarmed about something. She was alarmed about the delay in receiving the test results. Be alarmed at something. I was alarmed at the lack of medical supplies in the hospital. Something alarmed someone. The sudden noise alarmed the passengers. Panicked. The word panicked describes a state of sudden, intense fear or anxiety that often leads to irrational or hurried actions. Sentence structure. Someone panicked when something happened. She panicked when she realized she was late for the exam. Be panicked about something. She was panicked about missing her flight. Someone panicked and did something. The driver panicked and slammed on the brakes. Someone panicked into doing something. She panicked into agreeing to the deal without reading the terms.